Hello everybody, I'm Bill Davenport. I'm the owner-operator of Anchored Market Ventures. We run local farmers markets in the Florida Panhandle. Today we're going to be shooting an episode of Tips and Tricks. Before we get into that, if you guys haven't liked and subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do that. We put out good content for vendor spotlights and vendor tips and tricks, and we'd love to have you guys be notified and follow along as we go down our journey on farmers markets. Today on our tips and tricks, we're going to be talking about cottage food laws. If you're a baker, you make jelly and jams, stuff like that, cottage food laws are going to be kind of your guiding principle. To find out about cottage food laws, you need to go to FDACS. FDACS is Florida Department of Agricultural and Consumer Services. You can Google FDACS, FDACS, or cottage food laws, Florida cottage food laws, and it'll pull it up. So basically, it goes over what does and does not fall under cottage food laws. The stuff that does fall under cottage food laws, it tells you kind of how it needs to be packaged, but more importantly, how it needs to be labeled so that it's known as a cottage food item that is prepped under Florida cottage food law. It's very important that everything is labeled properly, everything is made properly. Things that are not cottage food laws falls under a commercial operation, and it has some other guidelines on that where you're going to need to do it either in a commercial kitchen or in with a commissary on a place that has a commercial kitchen. FDACS is going to be a good point of contact. It's FDACS.gov. They have local offices in the different area. For our area, it's in Panama City Beach, and they're going to help you. If you have questions, they're there to help you get set up so that you're doing business properly, to make sure that your items, one, fall in Florida cottage food laws. If they fall outside of Florida cottage food laws, then they're there, they'll help you set up on a commercial side so that you can go to a commercial kitchen like your Pro Kitchen here on the beach or another commercial kitchen in your area and get you set up. It's very important if you want to be a vendor out here and you're doing baked goods, you're doing canned goods, you're doing any type of food items, you need to start with FDACS, with Florida cottage food laws, find out if you fall under that. If not, then you need to go to a commercial venue and get certified that way. We can help you with any questions, with any guidance on that. Reach out to us at Anchored Market Ventures, either on our website, anchoredmarketventures.com, or through our email, anchoredmarketventures@gmail.com. And we can't wait to see you guys out here at the market.